Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Wizz Air not valid boarding card problem. If you've checked in online and received a boarding card marked as not a boarding card or invalid, don't panic. This doesn't mean your ticket is canceled, it just means you need to complete an additional verification step at the airport. Let's walk through how to handle this situation and explore the solutions Wizz Air provides. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Wizz Air website at www.wizzair.com. Once the homepage loads, scroll down until you locate the Help Center option. This is where you'll find all the resources and troubleshooting guides for common issues like boarding card problems. Inside the Help Center, find and click on Check-in and Boarding. This section contains detailed information about the entire check-in process and what to do if something goes wrong. On the left side of the page, you'll see a menu under Check-in and Boarding Information. Click on Boarding, and beneath that, select Boarding Card Issues. This is the section that specifically addresses problems with your boarding card. Here you'll learn how boarding cards can be presented. Wizz Air accepts mobile boarding cards through their app, printed PDF versions after downloading, downloaded PDF versions saved on your device, or physical boarding cards received after airport check-in. It's important to note that if you've made any changes to your flight after checking in, like changing your flight time or date, you must check in again for the new flight and obtain a new boarding card. Your old boarding card will no longer be valid. You'll now see three main options: lost boarding card, invalid boarding card, and wrong or missing information. Let's focus on the invalid boarding card option since that's the issue we're solving today. If you've already checked in and received a card marked not a boarding card or invalid, your ticket is still completely valid. What this means is that Wizz Air needs to verify your travel documents in person. You must present this invalid boarding card at the check-in desk at the airport at least 3 hours before your flight departure. Getting to the check-in desk is essential because this is where they'll validate your documents and issue you a proper boarding card. The good news is that no additional fee will be charged at the airport in this case, so you won't face any unexpected costs. If your boarding card has wrong or missing information, simply visit the check-in counter at the airport for assistance, or you can call Wizz Air support for help before you travel. That's it. You've now learned how to handle the invalid boarding card issue with Wizz Air. The key takeaway is that an invalid boarding card doesn't mean your flight is canceled, it just requires in-person verification at the airport. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.